There you go. This is what I'm cooking for Thanksgiving. Some vegan Impossible meat. Looks like that is pretty rounded. Probably, you know what I mean? Probably make some tacos or something, you know what I mean? Vegan tacos, some shit like that. Fire. This is KV, and we're gonna be making more videos, more vlogging. Stay tuned.
Yo, this get rid of shit, yo.
Only thing I don't like about it is when you zoom all the way out, it makes a blur to it. But when you use it regularly, it's cool. Check out my vlog, KV Opinions Vlog, YouTube. That's groovy. All right, guys.
Fantastic evening. Just beautiful. All around. They said, Reef, where you been at? Homie, I've been planning. Tell your children not to walk my way. Like Clint dancing out, start a box in South Pole, and then switch stances. Find me immortalized in my city on brick canvas. Mural Reef. Flow deep as a coral reef. No shiesty mask, so you can be sure it's me.
Yeah, I had to, I had to bring the hater jacket out, you know what I mean? But, you get rid of all the snakes and shit, you just wear them the skin.
Ditko Vega Medusa album.
Mama say don't gossip anyway, that's a women trait. In these days you gotta know the hate. Any day these niggas try to penetrate and don't test the kid, I disintegrate, then relocate. I'm trying to just free people, but now day people display evil, hurt people, hurt people.